Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Emeliza here. Now, today we're going to do something special. We're going to do a rainbow walking experiment. We're doing this in light of the rainbow movement that all centres are doing at the moment, but we're going to do a little bit different. So today you'll just need some scissors. Obviously, I want you to make sure that you've got someone there to help you. I don't want you cutting it on your own, so make sure there's someone there to help you. Some scissors, some markers, so some textures, some paper towel that I've already cut this into the rainbow shape. Now you're going to do this with some help from adults around you, so make sure that you're not doing it on your own. We've got 2 paper clips to hold it up and some string to tie onto the paper clips and the rainbow that we've already cut out. Now, you might not be able to see the fishing line because it's see-through, but you can use any type of string that you find around the house just to tie it to the paper clips, just to attach to the rainbow that you're going to cut out. You'll also need 2 cups of water and something to hold it up with. Now, I've used timers that we found in our STEM area, but you can use some blocks. You can probably use something that you can find around the house just to hold it up when we put it into the water. Okay, so first you're going to get some help to cut out the rainbow shape. Now I've already done this, so we're going to go a little bit faster than you would. Don't be worried that you haven't done it yet, but you can just pause the video and then you can just move on once you're ready. So what I'm going to do now that I've cut out my rainbow and I've attached the paper clips and some string, I'm going to get some markers. Now I've chosen 6 different colors. Now I need to make sure that I can fit 6 different colors down here on the bottom here. We're going to color some strips of color down here and I'll show you what it's going to look like. Now while you're coloring in, I want you to think about what you think will happen once we start putting this into the water. You're not going to leave it in there for too long, but you do have to wait a little while. So I'm just going to do one side just to show you, but when you do your one, I want you to make sure you do both sides so you can see what happens. So I've done 4 colors. You can choose whatever color you like. Whatever color you have at home, you can choose that one. Otherwise, you can try and find lots of other different colors. Alrighty, so now that I've coloured in down the bottom, that's all you have to do. You don't have to colour in the whole thing. Just colour in a few strips and then you're going to pop it up. Usually you do this side too. I want you to try and do that side and then you will see something happen when you're waiting and you're observing your rainbow. Alright, so once we pop it in, you're going to try and balance it on that timer. You might need to put it a bit lower actually. There you go. So now that that's in there, you're going to wait. And you know what? You might be able to ask Mum and Dad to share your experiment with us in Story Park and we can see what everyone's rainbow is doing. So now you can already see some of the water going across. And I want you to think about what can happen once you leave it in there longer. Alright, I hope you have a fun time doing the experiment and hope to see you all soon. Bye!